Uh, well, siguro good thing dahil during nung last 5 seconds, actually we don't have any timeouts left. But siguro nung nag-timeout si Coach Pido, so nakapag-diagram kami nung play. Actually, ang talagang play namin is for LA kasi 5 seconds, so siya yung pinakamabilis. Good thing na beat niya yung defense ng USA.
At least nawala na yung pressure sa'yo na manalo without Coach Franz.
Yeah, actually, I had a sleepless night kagabi. Nakatulog na ako siguro mag-4 o'clock in the morning na laging iniisip ko lagi yung game.
Coach, how will you evaluate yourself?
During game? Well, siguro dahil okay lang din naman kasi tagal ko rin kay Coach Franz since 2002, so more or less yung sistema ni Coach Franz, yun na rin yung ina-apply namin. So siguro nagkakaroon lang ng minor adjustment during of the timeout. Meron kaming dinadiagram na plays, pero most of the plays, even yung defense namin, same scenario, yung pa rin yung sistema ni Coach Franz.
Did Coach Franz leave specific instructions or reminders for the team?
Yeah, actually during nung last night, since Monday yung they left nung last Monday, ang binigay niya sa akin instruction was be on top dun sa mga players, especially during practice. Kasi we have some players na nakakalungkot sabihin, but during practice, lalo na pag wala si Coach Franz, may tendency kasi yung mga ibang players namin na to relax. So yun yung binilin sa akin ni Coach Franz na as much as possible on top ako dun sa situation dun sa mga players, especially nung practice. And actually, nitong pre-game ko, nag-thank ko dun sa mga players namin because during nung Monday up to yesterday, talagang they cooperate sa akin, talagang kita mo na talagang they want to win this game.
Coach, first time mo ba ito?
Yeah, as a coach here sa UAE, minsan kasi ako yung nag-handle ng mga team B, but this is my first time to handle the team sa UAE.
At least wala na yung